Okay, welcome again, guys. I am now showing you how to perfectly set a worship. That is, you setting the beats for the worship, the best, how you can do it best when you are ready to pray in the church. Remember, my keyboard is PSR E463, and so let's say you have come, you have arrived to your keyboard. Maybe it was not on, and let us now have it switched on, and now our keyboard displays this way. The first thing, select the beat, the one that you want to use. In my case here, I'll come for the style, and then I'll have my, let's say, 24. When I select 24, you'll note it is 16-bit. That it is displaying. It is called 16-bit. Then the next thing, because we want to play the worship, come to where we have the tempo button. On this, you press the tempo. You can see on the display it is at around 80. So the speed, it is dependent on the type of song that is being prayed. And so, for example, in most of the worships, you realize that with this beat, they range from 55, the speed, that is the speed on the tempo, up to around 60. So I'll have mine on around 58. You can have it. Yeah, that is how my beat will sound. So you can sing along with that beat with many songs. Get there. And so, once I have selected my beat, I'll now go to my voice. And then the voice, you click on the voice button, and then you select, say, okay, let us do with the one that is grand piano. That is how it will sound, but that is not a good sounding for praying. So the next thing you should do, once you have done the beat, you have selected the voice, come to where we have the split and the duo, then press on the duo, long press. It has given us strings, so we can decide to work with the strings, or we can also decide to work with another voice. Let's say we work with the mid grand to be allowed number 7. Yeah, the mid grand. And now remember that the duo should be highlighted on the screen, where we noted that you need to have it highlighted. So you just tap it on the duo once, and it has already highlighted there. Then we set our split. If you don't have someone to play the bass guitar, you are to do both the bass and the rhythm. We can select for our bass, and then let's, for example, okay, on the bass, let's say, for example, we select number 169. That is the 169 or 159. Yeah, we can have a okay, let me do a different one. 569. Yes. That is the one that I wanted. 569. And so make sure that it is highlighted on the screen. Yeah, they are ready to be used. You can hear that voice. It is to tell them now that our sign lead is ready to be used as a bass. Now the next thing that you can do, once you are there, you can save that setting before start praying, so that if there is any distraction or interruptions, you can get back your setting. So you come where we have the bank on the screen. It will give you bank 1. Let's say we want to save it in bank 3. You just come and go up to bank 3, and then you long press the bank and then the number 1 on the memory, it shows that it has told you memory okay. It means that if you put that keyboard off, that memory are saved in bank 1. The next thing now to do, it is we come where we have the function button. Just on your right hand side you find a button with the function. Just press it once, and then come to where we have the category, and then you go to the next. You realize it has given you the S volume. S volume, it means the split volume, the voice that you used for as a split voice. It is now the S volume. Say you make it 100, and then you use the same category to go to the next, seeing how it is displaying on your keyboard. And so the next we go up to where we have the major. We have the M volume or M voice. Let's go to M volume. M volume is the major voice that we used. Now ours here it is 122. We can make a loud 110, 105, anything that suits you. Then the next, it will give you M octave. M octave, it means, for example, in your keyboard has many keys, say up to 96, but we have the middle part of the keyboard where we have this key. Now when we are at 0, the M0, it means it is on this F, which is the key that is at the middle of the keyboard. And so if we move it to -1, it means we have moved this our central key towards our light. So you realize that you are transferring that is the sound which was on our central key. You realize it has moved to the next F on your light. If you go to -2, it happens the same. It has moved to the far end.